Hi, okay, so you got Bitwig 8-track with some kind of recent music purchase. And you're wondering, what can you actually do with the Bitwig 8-track? So in this video, I'm gonna break down exactly what you get with Bitwig Studio 8-track and also how it compares with these other versions in the Bitwig suite. Right, so first off, the limitation of Bitwig 8-track is obviously, like the name suggests, that you can only use 8 tracks. And each of these tracks can either be an audio track, it can be a MIDI track, or yeah, like a hybrid track, which means it can either contain audio or MIDI. Now, it might sound like a low track count, but you can actually do a lot with just 8 tracks. And another limitation, or obvious limitation, is that you can only use 2 third-party instruments or 2 third-party VST effects. But inside Bitwig there's a whole lot of different instruments and effects, which kind of make it redundant to use external plugins. But you might be after a certain specific sound or something, and then it might be useful to use third-party plugins. But we're gonna focus on what you get here with Bitwig 8-track. Right, so we're gonna take a listen to this little track I did here, which only uses plugins that you get with Bitwig 8-tracks. So we have the polymer synth, which is a very extensive synth with tons of different waveforms. We also have a wavetable, which you can load external wavetables. And we also have multiple oscillators in the same synth here. And there's also a lot of different filters included with this polymer synth, which makes it possible to create all kinds of different sounds. So let's take a listen here to this little arrangement. So we have a synth arpeggio going here on our first track. Then we add the second track with some hi-hats, which is made by an 808 kind of instrument, which is a drum machine. And I'm using the VH hat to create a hi-hat sound. Next, we add some bass, also with the polymer synth included with the Bitwig Studio 8-track. And finally, we add a little bit of a layer here for the top line, which is also made with the polymer synth. And yes, we forgot to add the kick, also made with the VH or 808 kick instrument. I'm also gonna add some modulation here on top. A sidechain. Right, so as you can hear, you can do a lot of sound design just with the included devices of Bitwig 8-track. And of course, you can also record audio on top of this. So let's take a look at the webpage that Bitwig prepared, which actually explains exactly what kind of devices and stuff that you get included with Bitwig 8-track. Right, so first off, just go to bitwig.com and go to the search bar and enter 8-track. And here we have the web page, which explains what's included in Bitwig 8-track. So if you scroll down a bit here, you actually have the different download buttons if you want to download and try Bitwig 8-track. And here we have the juicy what you get. You get 8 audio instrument or hybrid tracks. You get 2 effect tracks, 2 group tracks, and 8 scenes for clip launching. And then the obvious limitation using third-party plugins within Bitwig, which is 2 VST plugins, or 2 third-party VST plugins via the 3264-bit bridge with delay compensation and crash protection. Next up we have instruments and effects, and there's a total of 40 instruments and effects, note effects and modulators included. And some of these are the sampler, you have the polymer synth, which I showed you in our project. You get the drum machine and also the V8 drum instruments, which is like emulations of the 808 drum machine. 17 excellent audio effects, like the reverb, delay, distortion, and EQ, and then 10 modulators with LFO, ADSR, macro, and yeah, some more modulators. And you can also use hardware devices to control MIDI and CV gates. VST multi-out is not supported. You get up to 32-bit audio export, including a multi-track export. And you get 4 inputs and 8 outputs, audio I/O buses, and 3 algorithms for time stretching. Then regarding sound content, you get the acoustic bass, you get some futuristic glitch loops. You also get a decent piano in there called the Bösendorfer Grand Piano and the Wurlitzer Electric Piano. And yeah, hundreds of world-class presets included with Bitwig instruments and audio effects. Clips and templates to give your song creation a flying start. Now, if you want to know exactly in detail what kind of plugins and modulators are included with Bitwig 8-track, I highly advise you to check out the link I have in the description here, which goes to the feature list 8-track page. And these pages are a little bit like hidden on the Bitwig website, but if you scroll down here a little bit, you can see we have key features for Bitwig Studio 8-track and also compared to Bitwig Studio, the full version. So if you scroll down a little bit here, you can see the 13 instruments that's included compared to the 38 in Bitwig Studio. So here we can see we get the VH drum instruments included with clap, claves, cowbell, cymbal, hat, kick, etc. Maracas, rimshot, snare. But you don't get the V9, which is the 909 drum machine. And you can see you don't get any of the FM synths like the FM4 or the Phase 4, which is a phase modulation synth. So if you want to do FM, go for Bitwig Studio, the higher version. And then we have audio effects, so you can see the 17 audio effects in Bitwig 8-track compared to the 53 audio effects included with Bitwig Studio. So you get the bit 8, you get the compressor, you get the delay plus, you get the distortion, dynamics, EQ2, EQ5, etc. The basic filter. It's actually a quite good filter. There's gate, ladder, peak limiter, phaser, reverb. Yeah, so if you want to know more details, just check this page, feature list 8-track, link in the description. So that's basically what you get with the Bitwig 8-track. Now we're going to continue and look at what you get with the upgraded versions, like Bitwig Essentials, which is the smallest Bitwig Studio version. So you can go to the Bitwig Studio tab and then press Feature List. And here you can see with these dots, if they're filled, it's a feature that's included with that version of Bitwig. Right, so Bitwig Studio Essentials is actually an upgrade from Bitwig 8-track, so it's the smallest step in the Bitwig Studio line. And I think you can get the upgrade for €79. So the key features here is with Essentials, you finally get unlimited amount of audio tracks, instrument and hybrid tracks, unlimited effect tracks, and unlimited group tracks and scenes. And finally unlimited usage of VST plugins or third-party VST clap plugins. There's no audio comping in Essentials, but you get that if you grab the bigger version, the producer or Bitwig Studio version. Next follows the instruments, so you can see exactly what kind of instruments or instrument devices, which is like the plugins in Bitwig Studio, that's included. So you get 13 instruments in the Essentials pack, 21 in Producer and 38 in Bitwig Studio. So as you can see, Polygrid not included, which is the grid or modular synthesis system of Bitwig Studio, and you only get the V8 drums included with Essentials. With Essentials you also miss out on the FM synth and also the Phase 4, which is another phase modulation synthesizer. But you get the organ and you also get the polymer synth with Essentials. It's important also to point out that you do get the sampler, but you don't have a multi-sample editor available in the Essentials and Producer. You only get that if you get the... Next we have the audio effects, and you can see Essentials includes 17 audio effects. So you get bit 8, you get the compressor, you get delay plus, you get distortion, dynamics, EQ2, EQ5, which is your equalizers in Bitwig, but you don't get EQ plus, that's only with the studio version. Filter plus also included with Producer and Studio, but not in Essentials. But you get the regular filter, you get the flanger, you don't get the frequency shifter, I believe, and not the effect grid. So if you need the grid, you should upgrade to the big Bitwig Studio version. But here I think it's important to point out that if you grab any of my Bitwig Studio courses, I have a Bitwig Masterclass course and also a Bitwig Grid course and a Bitwig Ambient Mastery if you want to learn how to create ambient music in Bitwig Studio. And if you join any of my Bitwig classes, you also can purchase the Bitwig Studio at educational discount. And I have a web page if you click the link in the description here, which will walk you through the process of getting the educational discount. Next, you also get the gate and the ladder filter with Bitwig Essentials. You also get the peak limiter, you get the phaser, you get the reverb, and you also get the tool device, which is a device for controlling volumes, gain, and panning. And I feel it's an essential device, while it might sound like simple, because you can make like ducking and gating effects. Next up we have the hardware devices, and there's 5 of them in Essentials and 8 in Producer and Studio. And you can see here you get a clock device, CV instrument, CV out, effects, and hardware instrument, so you can get better integration with your hardware synths. And the MIDI CC is only in Producer and Studio, same as Program Change and Song Select. So if you want to work more deeply with hardware synths and their integration, maybe for live setups and stuff, you should go for Bitwig Studio. Next we have Note Effects, which is basically MIDI effect processors in Bitwig. So you have an arpeggiator in all of these, in all the versions, but you don't get more advanced MIDI manipulators like the bend, dribble, humanize, note repeats, quantize, randomize, ricochet, which is kind of cool MIDI note manipulators, but I don't feel they are necessary for most music work. And you get the stepwise, which is a step sequencer. Then we have containers and routers, and you get only one with the Essentials, but then with Producer and Studio you get a lot more. And I do feel that something like the instrument layer and instrument selector is very useful devices, and especially the chain device. If you want to chain different devices and save them as presets, it's going to be crucial to have the same chain device. So I highly advise, if you're working with more complicated setups and want to like reuse presets between different sessions, I highly advise you to check out the Producer or Studio version. But you do get the drum machine with all of the different Bitwig versions. Next we have the Spectral Suite, which is only included in Studio. And finally we get to the modulators, the beautiful modulators of Bitwig, which is a kind of essential thing, at least to me, for a reason for using Bitwig Studio compared to other DAWs. At least for me, for using Bitwig Studio compared to other DAWs, because it basically makes the whole DAW into a synth, because you can throw modulators on anything and make all kinds of evolving soundscapes very easily. And things like sidechaining, ducking, and basically all kinds of manipulation is so much easier. And that's the main reason why I use Bitwig Studio for certain type of electronic music. So first out you get the ADSR envelope modulator, you get the audio sidechain modulator, you get a button modulator, and the expressions, you get the hardware CV input, you get an LFO, the basic LFO, and a macro modulator. Let's press more here. And you get a random modulator. So that's only for the Essentials, the steps, and the vibrato. And then, as you can see, there's a ton more modulators if you go for the higher versions of Bitwig Studio. But essentially you can do a lot of stuff with these just the basic modulators of Bitwig Studio. As we can see here in my basic project. If you go to something like this Polymer Top Sound, you can see I'm using the regular LFO modulator here to manipulate the volume to get this kind of ducking effect. You can see that output volume moving along to the LFO waveform. But in short, you can do a lot of stuff with just the basic LFO. And you can use the LFO as many times as you want in a single project. You can just load that multiple times. And then make this modulator modulate different parameters in the project. to get all kinds of variations in the sound. Okay, so any questions on that? Let me know here in the comments and I'll try to sort it out for you. So next up, we're gonna check the current prices as of February 2026 when I'm doing this video. So let's go into buy. And here we can see Bitwig Essentials is for 99 euros, Bitwig Studio Producer 199, and then the big Bitwig Studio version is 399. But I believe that you do get the discount if you have Bitwig 8-track, if you want to upgrade to any of these other Bitwig Studio versions. Now, if you do want to go for the education version, if you want to purchase one of my courses and learn more about Bitwig Studio, you can find the student benefits here on my website, edu.morningdewmedia.com. And here we can see the big discount on Bitwig Studio Flagship Edition. So you can purchase the big Bitwig Studio version for just $269 US compared to the original price of $399. And the workflow for grabbing the Bitwig Studio EDU edition, you purchase one of the Bitwig courses that I have on my website. Like I spoke about before, we have the Bitwig Studio Masterclass, which is over 6 hours of educational material for learning Bitwig Studio. You can see we have already 456 students in the course and 21 reviews with a 5-star. Then we have the Bitwig Ambient Mastery, if you want to learn how to make ambient music in Bitwig Studio. And then finally we have the Bitwig Grid Unlocked, which is focusing on the modular synthesis or modular grid system in Bitwig Studio. Right, so you purchase one of my courses for Bitwig Studio, and then you purchase the Bitwig Studio EDU product at Bitwig Studio website. And I have a link from my website, which takes you to the purchase of the education version. And then next up, you just send your verification process email from the Morning Dew Media education course or the order number. Send that to Bitwig, and yeah, that's your verification that you're allowed to grab the education version on Bitwig Studio. Right, so finally, good luck on your adventure exploring music production in Bitwig Studio. And feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions on the different Bitwig Studio versions, if you have any questions on the courses, or yeah, just anything. My name is Matthias. Thanks for watching today. See you in the next video. Bye.